Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web development with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. Investing in web development with Amazon can be a lucrative opportunity. First, identify your investment goals. Consider whether you are looking to create a website for e-commerce, content, or services. Next, research the Amazon Web Services, or AWS, platform. Familiarize yourself with the different services AWS offers, such as hosting, database management, and content delivery. Create an AWS account if you don't already have one. Explore the AWS free tier to test various services without incurring costs. After that, determine the type of web development project you want to pursue. Choose a specific niche that interests you, such as online retail or digital marketing. Next, outline your website's objectives and target audience. Begin sketching your website's design and functionality. Use wireframes or mockup tools to visualize the layout. Select the appropriate AWS services based on your website's needs. For a simple website, AWS offers services like S3 for storage and AMP. If you're developing a more complex application, consider using EC2 for virtual servers and RDS for databases. Start planning your budget for both development and ongoing operational costs. Keep in mind potential hosting fees, domain registration, and third-party services. Next, begin the development process. You may use programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks such as React or Angular. Consider leveraging AWS developer tools for version control and application deployment. Once your site is built, test it thoroughly for functionality and user experience. Make sure it works well on multiple devices and browsers. After testing, prepare your site for launch. Configure your domain settings in AWS Route 53 or your registrar of choice. Finally, launch your website to the public. Monitor its performance using AWS CloudWatch and user feedback. Evaluate your investment periodically. Analyze traffic data and conversion rates to optimize your website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.